Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy and happy Halloween to you all. Now my kids requested that I dress up as a witch today, so here I am. They also requested that I make a Halloween themed baked cheesecake with a brownie base. So that's what we're making today. All right everyone, let's start baking. Let's start by making the brownie base. Place butter and good quality dark chocolate into a heat-proof bowl. I like to break the chocolate up into nice little chunks. Place over a pan of simmering water to melt. Place sugar and eggs into a bowl together and whisk them together for about 1 minute. You can use an electric mixer for this or a hand whisk like I'm doing. Pour in the cooled melted chocolate and mix again until well combined. Let's add the dry ingredients and I'm going to sieve in flour, salt and cocoa powder. Give everything a good mix until all the flour and cocoa powder is well mixed in. This is a good thick mixture, as you can see. Remove a tablespoon of the mixture and set to one side. We'll need this later when we design our web on top of the cheesecake. This is ready so we can get it into the tin. This tin I'm using is 8 inches and I've lined it with greaseproof paper. Spread the mixture right out to the sides of the tin and level the top. Set to one side while we make the cheesecake mixture. In another bowl, add full fat cream cheese and sugar and mix well until soft. Add in eggs, vanilla extract and orange gel food colouring. You can leave this cheesecake white if you like, or you can add a different colour for other festive occasions. I'll just leave that up to you. Add enough gel colour until you get the colour you want. This is ready, so let's pour it over our brownie base. You'll find the full recipe for this cheesecake in the description box under the video. Tap a few times to remove air bubbles and set to one side while we do the next stage. Using the brownie mixture removed earlier, add a tablespoon of warm water to it and mix until you get a nice pourable liquid. We're going to get this into a piping bag now. If you don't have a piping bag, you could use the end of a freezer bag, which is perfect. We're ready to create our swirl on the cheesecake and start from the centre and work your way out. Use a cocktail stick to draw through the cheesecake from the centre out to the edge of the tin to create a spiderweb pattern. It's ready for the oven and it will need about 30 to 35 minutes to bake. When it's baked, it'll have a little wobble in the centre, you can see that. Allow to cool and chill for 6 hours or preferably overnight. And here we have it, all done. Doesn't it look wonderful? And to finish off, I just made this black fondant spider. It's very easy to make and it really sets it off. Now all that's left to be done is for me to try this. So let's cut into this now. Here it is for a better look. Now to get a nice clean cut in your cheesecake, dip your knife in warm water and cut your cheesecake, and do this every time you make a cut. I love the combination of the brownie and the baked cheesecake filling together. It's a nice change to a biscuit crumb and it tastes amazing too. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and try it out. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!